Welcome to Learn English Podcast USA. Hello, everyone. Today, you are going to understand English easily. Yes, easily. And today's story is very simple, very real, and very useful. But before we start, I have a question for you. Listen carefully. What food does Alex recommend to Emma? Listen and find the answer. Then write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English faster. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Alex.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great today.
Really?
Yes, the weather is beautiful.
Oh, yes, it is very nice today.
I love mornings like this.
Me too. Everything feels fresh.
Yes, calm and quiet.
Perfect start to the day. Say, I am good. Repeat, I am good. Again, I am good. One more time. I am good.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
What time did you sleep?
Around 10 p.m.
That's early.
Yes, I was very tired.
Did you have a long day yesterday?
Yes, very long.
What did you do?
I cleaned the house, cooked dinner, and watched a movie.
That sounds like a full day.
Yes, I was exhausted.
But now you feel better.
Much better, thank you for asking. Did you sleep well last night? Comment yes or no. Do you go to bed early or late? Comment early or late.
So, what are your plans today?
I have no plans.
Really?
Yes, I am free today.
Me too.
That's nice.
I was a little bored at home.
Me too.
My apartment feels small sometimes.
I understand that feeling.
You just need to go outside.
Exactly. Fresh air helps everything.
Always.
Are you free today? Comment free or busy. Say fresh air helps everything. Again, fresh air helps everything.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, I would love to.
Great.
Where should we go?
Let's just walk.
No plan?
No plan.
I like that.
Sometimes no plan is the best plan.
I totally agree.
We just walk and see what happens.
That sounds perfect. I like that. Again, I like that. That sounds perfect. Again, that sounds perfect.
Let's go.
Wait, let me get my jacket.
Okay, take your time.
I'm ready.
You look nice today.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Let's go.
I'm excited.
Me too. Let's enjoy the day.
It's very nice outside.
Yes, it's sunny.
I love this weather.
Me too.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect.
Days like this make me feel alive.
Yes, you just want to walk forever.
Exactly.
No phone, no stress.
Just walking.
And talking.
This is already a good day. The weather is nice. Again, the weather is nice. One more time, the weather is nice. Do you like sunny days? Comment yes or no.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't.
Why?
I woke up late.
Oh no.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Very hungry.
Yes, very, very hungry.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
That sounds good.
Or sometimes just fruit and coffee.
Simple but good.
Yes, but today I have nothing.
Don't worry, we will find something.
Thank you, Alex. What do you eat for breakfast? Comment below and tell me. Are you hungry right now? Comment yes or no.
Let's get food.
Yes, please.
There is a store near here.
A convenience store?
Yes, I go there every morning.
Really?
Yes, they have everything.
Perfect.
They have sandwiches,
Good.
coffee,
Nice.
juice, water, snacks.
I love snacks.
Me too.
What kind of snacks?
chips, cookies, granola bars.
Oh, I love granola bars.
They have the best ones.
Let's go quickly.
Okay. Do you like snacks? Comment yes or no. What is your favorite snack? Comment below. Hello?
Hello, welcome.
Hello?
Can I help you?
Yes, please. What sandwiches do you have today?
We have egg sandwich, tuna sandwich, and chicken sandwich.
I recommend the egg sandwich.
Egg sandwich?
Yes, it's very good. I have it every time.
Okay, I will try it.
You will love it, I promise.
Okay, 1 egg sandwich, please.
Of course. What food did Alex recommend? Write your answer below.
I want coffee too.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Good choice. The hot coffee here is amazing.
Really?
Yes, very strong and smooth.
Perfect.
Say, I want coffee. Again, I want coffee. Say hot or cold. Again, hot or cold.
Do they have cookies?
Yes, many kinds.
I want a chocolate cookie.
Of course, good choice.
I love chocolate.
Me too. Who doesn't love chocolate?
True. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, 1 egg sandwich,
2 hot coffees.
1 chocolate cookie.
Okay, that is $8, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, you too. Enjoy your food.
We will. Thank you.
Do you say have a wonderful day to people?
Yes.
Thank you, Alex. You paid for everything.
No problem. My treat today.
That is very kind.
Friends take care of each other.
Next time, I will pay.
Deal. My treat today. My treat today. Friends take care of each other. Friends take care of each other.
This smells so good.
Yes, very good.
I can't wait to eat.
Let's find a place to sit.
There's a bench over there.
Perfect. Let's go.
Let's sit here.
Good idea. Nice view, too.
Yes, you can see the whole street.
I love sitting outside.
Me too. It feels different from inside.
More relaxed.
Exactly.
Do you prefer eating inside or outside? Outside.
This sandwich is amazing.
I told you.
It's very soft and warm.
Yes, the eggs are fresh every morning.
I can taste that.
Good, right?
So good. Best sandwich I had in a long time.
It is very good. It is very good. Best sandwich I had in a long time. Best sandwich I had in a long time.
The coffee is perfect.
Yes, very relaxing.
Strong but smooth.
Exactly how I like it.
And the cookie,
Is it good?
it's amazing. So soft inside.
I told you this store is the best.
You were right.
I am always right.
Sure you are.
Do you like coffee, hot or cold? Now let's learn some new words. Today's vocabulary is about food, feelings, and daily life. Word number 1, hungry. I am hungry. Say it. I am hungry. Word number 2, full. I am full. Say it. I am full. Word number 3, delicious. This is delicious. Say it. This is delicious. Word number 4, thirsty. I am thirsty. Say it. I am thirsty. Word number 5, tired. I am tired. Say it. I am tired. Word number 6, excited. I am excited. Say it. I am excited. Word number 7, relaxed. I feel relaxed. Say it. I feel relaxed. Word number 8, bored. I am bored. Say it. I am bored. Word number 9, peaceful. This place is peaceful. Say it. This place is peaceful. Word number 10, grateful. I am grateful. Say it. I am grateful. Which word describes you right now? Comment below with your word. Now, a short story inside our story. Listen carefully. One day, Emma was alone at home. It was a Sunday morning. She woke up late. She looked at the clock. It was 11 a.m. She said, "Oh no, it's so late." She got up slowly. She went to the kitchen. She opened the fridge. It was almost empty. Just water, one egg, and an old apple. She said, "I need to go shopping." But she was still tired. She sat on the sofa. She thought, maybe later. Then her phone rang. It was Alex. He said, "Good morning, Emma. Did you eat?" She said, "No, my fridge is empty." Alex said, "I'm going to the market. Do you want anything?" Emma said, "Yes, please. Can you get eggs, bread, and some fruit?" Alex said, "Of course. Anything else?" Emma said, "Maybe some juice." Alex said, "Okay, I will be there in 30 minutes." Emma said, "Thank you so much, Alex." Alex said, "No problem. That is what friends are for." 30 minutes later, Alex knocked on the door. Emma opened it. Alex had 2 big bags full of food. Emma said, "Alex, this is too much." Alex said, "No, it's just enough." Emma laughed. They put everything in the kitchen together. Then Emma made breakfast for both of them: eggs, toast, and juice. They sat together and ate. Simple, warm, and perfect. Do you have a friend like Alex? Comment yes or no. Say, "That is what friends are for." Again, that is what friends are for. Now back to Emma and Alex at the park. Let's go to the park. It's very close.
Good idea. I love that park.
Me too. It's always peaceful there.
Yes, green trees, birds, fresh air.
Perfect after eating.
Let's walk slowly.
Of course, no rush. Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Yes, very beautiful.
Look at those trees
So green.
and the flowers.
Yes, they just bloomed.
I love spring. Me too. Everything comes alive.
It makes me feel happy.
Nature always does that. Are you happy today? Do you like parks?
I feel very peaceful right now.
Me too.
No stress, no worries.
Just this moment.
I wish every day was like this.
Maybe it can be.
How?
Just go outside more, walk more, breathe more.
You are right.
Simple things make us happy.
I agree. Say, simple things make us happy. Again, simple things make us happy. What makes you happy? Comment below and tell me. Today was perfect.
Yes, simple and nice.
I like simple days.
Me too.
Alex, thank you for today.
Of course, that is what friends are for.
You always know what to do.
Not always, but I try.
You make everything better.
You do too, Emma.
Say, you make everything better. Again, you make everything better.
It's getting late.
Yes, let's go home.
Okay, let's walk slowly.
Good idea. I love walking home.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
No noise, no rush,
Just the two of us walking.
and talking.
This is my favorite part.
Mine too. What is your favorite part of the day? Say, I love peaceful moments. Again, I love peaceful moments. We are almost home.
Yes, I can see your building.
Today was really good.
One of the best days.
And we did nothing special.
Sometimes nothing special is the most special.
That is so true.
Remember that.
I will.
Say, sometimes nothing special is the most special. Again, sometimes nothing special is the most special. Do you agree? Comment yes or no.
Okay, I'm home.
Good. Rest well tonight.
You too.
Eat something for dinner.
I will. Maybe eggs again.
Haha, you love eggs now.
Because of you.
You're welcome.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Emma. See you tomorrow.
Same time?
Same time.
No plan?
No plan.
Perfect.
Say good night. Rest well. Again, good night. Rest well. Say see you tomorrow. Again, see you tomorrow. Final question. What food did Alex recommend to Emma today? Write your answer in the comments right now. Today you learned how to talk about your morning, how to talk about food and hunger, how to order at a store, how to talk about feelings and friendship, and 10 new words: hungry, full, delicious, thirsty, tired, excited, relaxed, bored, peaceful, grateful. Say all 10 words with me now. Hungry, full, delicious, thirsty, tired, excited, relaxed, bored, peaceful, grateful. Which of these words do you feel right now? Write it in the comments. Thank you for watching. You are doing amazing. Every day you listen, you improve. Keep going. Don't stop. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye.